The following gadgets could save your life and make it a lot more comfortable. So stick around to find out how cool these gadgets are. Speaking of incredible personal safety gadgets, it's time. The Sabre Pepper Projectile Launcher is an effective home security and personal protection option designed to keep your family safe. This easy-to-use device provides effective long-range protection with a range of up to 60 feet, 18.28 meters, and a velocity of up to 350 feet per second FPS, causing severe pain, facial burning, involuntary eye closure, and coughing upon impact. It dispenses up to 7 high-powered pepper powder projectiles that can cover an area up to 175 feet, 53 meters, with a cloud of pepper, increasing the chance of escape in dangerous situations. The launcher's design includes a rubber grip for better control and grip, is recoil-free, and is lightweight for easy handling. It also features adjustable front and rear fiber optic sights for precise aiming in low-light conditions. This package includes the launcher, pepper and practice pellets, CO2 cartridges, and a padded carrying case. If you like this launcher, you'll be even more impressed by our next gadget. Reactant's automatic fire suppression system is one of the latest home safety devices, a complete solution designed to detect and extinguish fires, especially those caused by oil self-ignition. Known for its reliability and versatility, this system is ideal for a variety of environments, from commercial to residential kitchens. The modular design and quality training provided make the installation of these systems simple and efficient. Backed by a robust 3-year warranty, Reactant systems meet the highest standards of quality and technology, ensuring optimal performance and reliable protection at all times. In addition, the system operates without the need for electrical power, ensuring continuous protection 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, giving users peace of mind at all times. Compliance with national and international regulations is essential for any business. As a global company, they ensure that their products meet and exceed applicable legislative and regulatory standards. They offer cylinders and valves in both CE and DOT specifications to ensure compliance with current regulations. This is what makes it revolutionary, the way it approaches fire safety. But do you think we've reached the limit of innovation? Keep watching. The Bulletproof Backpack Vest is not only a wonderful and innovative gadget, but also a significant advancement in personal security, offering a versatile and effective solution to protect against multiple threats. By transforming any backpack, briefcase, purse, or bag into a protective shield, it provides additional peace of mind in potentially dangerous situations. Constructed with high-quality materials and advanced technology, this insert provides reliable protection against active shooters, knife attacks, and other high-risk situations. Its slim and lightweight design provides comfort and ease of use, allowing it to be forgotten until needed. Available in multiple sizes and armor levels, it adapts to the specific needs of each individual, providing personalized protection for the entire family. Its versatility and effectiveness make it an invaluable investment in safety and peace of mind. Thought you'd seen it all? Wait until you see what's next. The upcoming gadget is revolutionary. If you're looking for reliable anti-theft protection at an affordable price, this futuristic home security device, an alarm disc lock, is the ideal solution. Equipped with a universal 6mm shackle, a powerful 110 decibel alarm, and motion sensors, it protects your motorcycle, scooter, or electric bike from potential theft attempts. Don't skimp on the security of your two-wheeled vehicle. This unit has an impact and corrosion-resistant case. The alarm is completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about the rain. Plus, its advanced electronics emit 3 warning tones when motion is detected, giving you plenty of time to disarm before the main alarm sounds. Tired of complicated and cumbersome security systems to activate? This motorcycle disc lock with an alarm locks simply by pressing the shackle. Its 6mm shackle fits most motorcycle and scooter disc brakes. This anti-theft kit includes everything you need to protect your vehicle: 3 keys, a reminder cable, a carrying case, a spare battery set, and an Allen wrench. With this disc lock, you'll have everything you need to keep your two-wheeled vehicle safe. The Hiplock 1000 series plus Crazer KR6Y is the ideal solution for securing your two-wheeled vehicle. But can you imagine even more advanced and efficient security? Look no further. The Palladio Door Collection is a superior choice in the world of composite doors. Each door in this collection begins as a real wood door, where a gel mold is applied to meticulously capture every detail of the wood grain. This unique process ensures that each door has an exceptional and natural appearance without sacrificing durability. What sets Palladio doors apart is their robust and sturdy construction. Unlike other composite doors that are filled with foam, Palladio doors feature a monoblock structure and are reinforced with a 65mm layer of fiberglass. This combination of materials ensures exceptional resistance to knocks, scratches, and adverse weather conditions, providing long-lasting protection for any home. In addition to their strength, Palladio doors are distinguished by their elegant finish. Each door is coated with ranelite laminate, which not only provides a flawless and uniform appearance, but also increases the door's resistance to fading and UV damage. This combination of beauty and durability makes Palladio doors the perfect choice for those looking for an entry door that combines style and functionality. But what if I told you there's an even more impressive gadget on the way? The next innovation will leave you speechless. This emergency security alarm becomes an indispensable tool for protecting your personal integrity in critical situations. Its ability to emit an extremely powerful tone not only effectively alerts you, but can also amplify your call for help up to 600 feet away, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind in moments of imminent danger. With its ergonomic design and quick-action glass breaker, it gives you the best chance to escape in an emergency, ensuring safe and efficient access out of the vehicle in high-risk situations. In addition, its durable aerospace-grade aluminum metal construction provides exceptional resistance to impact and adverse conditions, while the included CR2032 batteries ensure immediate availability when you need it most. With its enhanced siren and innovative design, the Stinger not only protects, but also provides invaluable peace of mind in critical situations. The Stinger Loud Plus personal alarm is an indispensable tool for critical situations, but what if I told you there's an even more powerful and effective alarm in development? You won't want to miss what's coming next. The Swift Shield is one of the latest innovative devices in personal security, a revolutionary ballistic shield that weighs only 8 pounds. Its creation was the result of a combination of cutting-edge material technology and the ancient art of origami, resulting in a patented design that can be folded to a compact size for easy storage or transport, then quickly deployed to provide effective coverage of up to 5 square feet. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for security personnel who can now rely on additional, lightweight, and quickly deployable protection in a variety of situations where they've historically been exposed, such as domestic violence, traffic stops for serious crimes, vehicle and personnel ambushes, foot pursuits, and additional protection in riots and active shooter situations. The Swift Shield is a revolutionary ballistic shield, but the next innovation in personal protection will take protection to a whole new level. Prepare to be amazed. The innovative Haven Lock feature gives you an extra level of control over your Haven Connect smart lock by allowing you to manage it with voice commands, a futuristic home security door lock installation. With this feature, you can lock and unlock your door simply by using your voice and add an optional voice pin for an extra layer of security. You can also integrate locking, unlocking, and lock status into predefined routines for added convenience and automation in your smart home. As for the Haven security system, it is a pioneering product in preventative home security. Its design includes an electronic locking wedge anchored to the floor, reinforcing the door at its most vulnerable point, the bottom. Constructed of high-strength materials such as steel, Delrin TM, and military-grade nylon, the Haven system offers 10 times the strength of a traditional deadbolt. Haven Connect goes a step further by incorporating intrusion detection. If an intruder attempts to force entry, the system activates an audible alarm that alerts the intruder while also sending alert notifications via email and push directly to your phone. This feature gives you the time you need to take appropriate action and protect your home and loved ones. But what if I told you there's an even more futuristic lock on the way? Stay tuned to find out what's next in home security. The Scally Stopper Pedal Lock is an innovative and affordable solution designed to provide solid and effective protection for your VW transporter, as this device stands out for its ease of use and proven effectiveness. By placing a lock around the brake pedal, it blocks access to all 3 pedals, providing an additional barrier against theft and intrusion. What makes it unique is its clever design, which incorporates small access holes for easy installation and quick, accurate locking. This version is specifically designed for right-hand drive models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal protection. In addition, each unit comes with a set of 5 keys, providing peace of mind and convenience to the user. For added deterrence, an optional window sticker is included to alert potential intruders to the presence of this additional security system. With the Scally Stopper Pedal Lock, you can rest assured that your VW transporter is protected at all times. A marvel of technology that'll make your life easier, but if that's not enough, watch more of our videos to find more gadgets that leave you speechless. See you next time!